Give me 60 seconds and I'll teach you how to draw any Newman projection in organic chemistry. So let's say that this question is asking us to draw a Newman projection looking down this bond. Everyone hates imagining things in 3D when it comes to orgo, but let me show you how to draw Newman projections without all of that nonsense. First, draw your Newman skeleton, which is just a dot inside of a circle. Now remember, the dot corresponds to the front carbon, which is the one closest to the arrow, and the circle corresponds to the back carbon, which is the one furthest from the arrow. Everything on the left is considered behind the page or on a dash, and everything on the right is considered in front of the page or on a wedge. So let's focus on our front carbon first. We see that bromine here is on a wedge, so it's going to be considered out of the page. Therefore, it's going to be on the right of our Newman skeleton. Now notice how bromine is drawn up, whereas these bonds here are considered drawn down. Therefore, bromine is going to be drawn on the top right of our Newman projection. Now let's focus on this hydrogen, which is drawn on a dash, so it's going to be on the left side. And again, since it's being drawn up, it's going to be found on the top left. And lastly, we have this methyl group, which is drawn flat on the page. And since it's being drawn down, we just draw it straight down on our Newman projection, just like that. So next, let's focus on the back carbon. This chlorine is drawn on a dash, which means that it's going to be on the left of our Newman projection. And since it's being drawn down this time, it is going to be found on the bottom left of our Newman projection, just like that. Next, we have this hydrogen drawn here on a wedge, which means it's going to be on the right of our Newman projection. And since it's being drawn down like that, it is going to be on the bottom right. Lastly, we have this methyl group that's being drawn flat. And since it's being drawn up like this, we just draw it up on our Newman projection like that. If you want to add 15 extra points to your upcoming organic chemistry final, or learn how to get an A in your course if you haven't taken your first exam yet, DM me Orgo and I'll show you how to crush it.